Hey there! So, here's the deal with the problem you're facing. You try to run machine code on Windows for testing purposes, and everything seems to be working fine except for the EFlags. When you modify the EFlags in the context structure and apply using SetThreadContext, the carry flag doesn't seem to be set as expected. The machine code you're running should add the carry flag and then clear it, resulting in our 15 remaining unchanged at 0. However, during debugging, you notice that the carry flag is not set in the actual thread. Now let's talk about the solution. If you look for the RIP from the context, you'll see that it points to intdll.rtl_user_thread_start instead of your func. The EFlags are set at intdll.rtl_user_thread_start before your func is called, so the EFlags will change to an undefined state, causing the issue. The workaround is not to pass EFlags as a parameter to the shellcode. You can directly call it or pass parameters like RCX, RDX, R8, or a single parameter in RCX if executing it in an APC callback. In summary, setting EFlags in the context at intdll.rtl_user_thread_start won't work as expected due to the change in EFlags before calling your func. The solution is to avoid passing EFlags as a parameter to the shellcode, and either directly call it or pass parameters differently. And that's a wrap. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Keep coding and stay curious.